Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Welcome to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Now today I am going to be doing 4 vases. And I am going to turn these vases into a high-end pottery. Or high-end pottery vases. Okay, so here I picked up some paint from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and this is sort of like a chocolate or neutral brown fall color here that I'm using. And I'm going to first start off by just adding some paint to some of this black paint. Now I'm using the leftover paint from where I DIY my black and white wall art, and you will see that in one of my videos. I believe my last long video, you will see that. Okay, just go back and watch that. So now I'm just using my foam brush paint, my foam brush, and painting this jar that I picked up from, or this vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and so I'm just going to continue going around this vase, and I'm going to paint the entire vase with the remaining paint that I have. And then I will take these vases outside to let them dry in the hot sun. Now, I'm not going to have a problem with these drying quickly because it is hot. We are looking at over 100 degrees here in Huntsville. Okay, so with each one of my vases, I believe I end up doing about 5 coats. After I put the black on each one of my vases, and then I went back in and put the chocolate in a separate fresh pan, and I began to paint over that black. So in that way it'll help cover up some of this glass here. Now the next time I probably will be going to buy me some glass paint, because they do sell that, and I will be on the lookout for that when I go back to the store. But I'm going to let you see how each one of these vases turn out. I'm going to style them for each vase that I do. I'll go ahead on and show you the reveal. So after I finish this particular vase, you will see the reveal on how I style this for the fall. So I'm just bringing in some fall colors. Okay. Alright, so here is the reveal. And this is what this vase is looking like right here, guys. I went on and put me some of the little onion stems, onion grass stems in it. And I'm styling it with my statue there, my beads, and my black candle, and my black and gold storage box that I picked up from Ross for $12.99. And that candle there, I picked that up at I think that was Burke's Outlet for $7.99. Don't hold me to that because I shop at different places, but this is what it's looking like. Okay, so let's get to our second vase, and this is a vase that I had in my stash, and it's like a mauve or magenta vase. So I'm going to transfer this, or transform this, into a high-end pottery. And on this particular vase, I lost some footage. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe I thought that my camera was rolling or recording, but hey, it wasn't. But it is what it is, so I can't let that stop me. So I'm still using some of that black paint that I had left over from my black and white DIY wall art from my previous video. So I'm going to use all of that up because I need some black to cover up this mauve color that's on this vase. Okay, so each one of my vases, they was free. The only one that I ended up paying for was the very first one where I purchased from the Dollar Tree, but I had this one on hand, and you will see how I will come in with other vases that I'll be using. I'm going to be making vases, okay? Making vases out of junk. Yes, that's what I do, and I enjoy doing what I do. So this is very therapeutic to me, and it's not wasting any time. Okay, and this vase here dried for probably, well, I believe I put about 5 or 6 coats on this vase as well, and let it dry between each one. And here is the reveal, guys. And here is where I just went to my magnolia tree, broke off some branches, stuck it in here, and I styled it with my pistachio and black candles pillow holder and some of my DIY books, and also this black vase that I had picked up from Dollar General for $8. And that white statue on the left, picked it up from Ross for $12.99. There it is. Okay, and the little beads, I picked them up from the Dollar Tree for 67 cents. And this vase is housing on the DIY books that I did, but I don't have a video for that because I made those books before I decided to start my YouTube channel. Okay, so I hope you guys like vase number 1, and we're going to go ahead on and get into, I'm sorry if that's vase number 2, we're going to go ahead on and get into vase number 3. So here is vase number 3, guys. This is another one that I had stashed in my house, in my storage, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm still using that leftover black paint from my black and white wall art that I created, because hey, I'm not throwing away nothing. And I forgot to mention to you guys that I used baking soda, okay, but I had put the baking soda in it before I guess I actually started the video. But I'm so glad that I went in and put some more baking soda in there so you guys can see how I created that texture by using the baking soda. Now you can also use sand, but since I had this big box of baking soda on hand, hey, I used that because I'm not going outside to get no sand. It's too hot. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm painting foam brush painting this paint on the vase, and I'm going to do the same thing. Go set it out there in this hot sun, and it takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes at the most to dry because I got it sitting directly in the hot sun. Now guys, you can put as much baking soda and paint in your container as you want to, because hey, it's up to you. It's how much texture you want. And a correction, I said I was still using the black paint, but this is a fresh plate of chocolate paint, and so I'm using chocolate paint on this vase because I had ran out of the black paint. I was not going to put any more in my plate. Okay, so when I finish this one, I'm going to show you the reveal on this one as well, and let me know how you like these transformation of my vases, and let me know which one you like best. Okay, so just let me know. Okay, just comment below and I will read every comment. So this is my first time doing this. I like trying new things, and this is one of my DIYs. I don't do that many DIYs like I used to because of the time that I have on hand right now. Okay, so guys, I end up using 5 coats on this vase here, and let's get ready to show you what it looks like. And here is the reveal. Yes, 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 I love it. I love it. Now I went on and got some fall stems and put in this vase, and this is what this vase is looking like. And I have this vase housed on the DIY books that I did as well, also with the bead that I got from the Dollar Tree, not the Dollar Tree, Dollar General. And the vase, I picked that up from Burlington. It was $7.99. And check this out, the little candlestick came from Dollar Tree, baby, for $1.25. And that bougie candlestick that's in it, well, bougie candle that's in the candlestick, that came from the Dollar Tree as well. So just let me know How you like this? Yes, I think everything turned out nicely. We got this high-end little vase here. And guess what? Honey, I got some Miracle Whip. I ran out of Miracle Whip. And so I said, oh, I'm not going to throw away the jar. So I just added some water in that jar and, you know, cleaned it out real good. Now I'm putting the alcohol. Now I'm putting the alcohol on it to remove all of the excess glue. And we want to duke this one up too, honey. So here is where I lost some of my footage on this one, okay? I guess I'm bad about that. But here's the reveal for this one. This is where I just went outside and broke off some little sticks. And I stuck it inside of my arrangement, inside of my little pottery here that I made. And I added this black fern candle. It smells so good. And I went in and I bought my little, what you call the little thing, chimpanzee that I picked up from Burlington for $4.99. And I kept I added another bead that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, which was like $1.25. And the other little bead to the left, that's from Dollar General for 67 cents. So if I left off anything that I didn't mention the price of, just comment below and I will be more than happy to tell you where I got these items from. So guys, this is my DIY ideas transforming my vases to neutral color for a high-end look and make them look like pottery vases, okay? So guys, this is the time that if you have not subscribed, I hope that you will consider becoming a part of the Precious family. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button and you will be notified the next time when I do another DIY or upload another short or long video, because I will be coming in doing some more videos, probably DIY videos later on. Don't know exactly when, but by you hitting that notification bell, you will not miss a beat. You will not miss a video. Okay, so these are my vases, how I styled them, okay? Alright guys, so this is Mary Precious Jones. I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.